Hello, my name is Takwa and I'm 7 years old. I will show you how to be successful art on ProCreate. This is my iPad that I am going to show you how to do ProCreate. Here's the iPad. We're actually doing ProCreate. So here's the ProCreate app here, like you see, like here. Click on it and look, dozens of drawings. Here, I used to create a lot of drawings, so I'm gonna do screen size. So this is how you do it. Look, you actually select your background. You have to select this background. No, you don't like black, right? You could change it. Wait, how to change it? It's not working. Hold on. Hold on. Oh no. Hold on. Oh man. You have to change your background. Okay. This is a fail tutorial. This is a fail tutorial, guys. It's a fail. So this is how you change your background. You click on background color and look. You can change here. Oh no, I messed up it. You just click on it and you could, if you see this this color thing, it's actually the color changer. I'm gonna pick. It's so hard. ProCreate always has the best stuff. So yeah. So I will put pink. I love pink. So here is how you also change your color pencil. Like over here, you could see that dot. I'm actually changing the color that I want, and over here is showing it. But I already picked gray first. So I'm gonna pick which one? It's always so amazing. I'm gonna pick purple. I'll pick this light purple. So hold on steady. This will also be how to make the size. I'm actually going on 37. Make sure this is all up because this is how you show. If you put it all the way down, look, it doesn't show. Put it all the way up, so you'll see. Look, it's working. Wow, it's so cool. Look, now, if I'm done with my purple, I will show you the next. Look how it is. It's so cool. I'm gonna go. You could follow my steps if you want, or you could draw anything, because I'm teaching you how to draw something. You could also name this. Actually got someone's art. Supplies I'm using peach. If you already know how to use it. Oh, by the way, subscribe to my channel, click the bell, and ring the notification and give me a huge thumbs up. Oh, if you also want to comment down below our channels, give us the most likes. Hope I'm so excited to see all of your comments. How it is. If it doesn't turn out good, it's okay. You could practice, because I used to practice a lot. Over here, you could remove it. On the top, it could say, what did you remove? This is too big, so I'm going a little bit short. Yeah, that's the size we need. Okay, that's good. Oh, this is actually the forward side. What did you do? And that's how you do it. So I'm gonna pick green this time because I'm gonna do something. Oh, over here you actually choose your brush. Choose your brush, which one you want. I'm gonna choose water. Let's see what kind of water. Blush. Let's try blush. Ooh, look, it's so realistic. So I'm actually, no, I don't want that. There's so much branches. There. There, look how many branches. It looks so cool to me. I'm actually going to add yellow, bright yellow. Right now. Now I'm just going to grab and put some bubbles. Bubbles pop. Look how beautiful it's turning out. It looks so beautiful, right? I'm gonna put it up the camera so you can see more. Look, it's so cool. I can't wait. I love this style. I'm gonna choose what I wanna choose. Yeah, I'm actually gonna make a circle. Make it like this. Look. Ooh. There, stop. Look, I made a circle there, but I didn't cut it. Because I wish to show you. This is how you do it. You mix up everything together. Mixing up something already looks so gross. You don't want to mix up your art or else it'll be ruined. This is like saying that I come up with the like a hand like this. This is how you mix up. You actually use your hands for it. Not this, but you could also use this if you want. But you also use hands for it. I'm right scratched. Ooh. So cool. This is how you do it. Now let's move to the next. You can select photos actually. Oh, which one did I pick? Oh, I picked up my school. I actually picked up my school work that I do. I'm gonna select photo. I'm gonna select my photo, select my photo. These are all my funny photos that well, I'm gonna take this one. It's so beautiful. I love it. It's upside down. This is actually my photo. This is actually my photo. I'm actually going to decorate it. But I actually don't. Sometimes I don't. Oh, no. Which one? Not this bleach. Oh yeah, I need this. I actually used to do it. Seriously, this is not the one I've been looking for. Okay. Textures. No, I was actually saying, what is this? Look what I'm picking. You have to pick Buzz. Cause look how it draws. Oh my god, I'm so happy how it is. Look at the eyeliner. It's so perfect. Every beauty wishes they could draw an eyeliner like this. But they can't. They have to do it on the right move. Look how it is. I can't believe that I'm seeing myself wearing eyeliner. And of course, my hair is covering this. So of course, I will draw a half eyeliner. I know you guessed that. So, look how beautiful. Let's move on to the lips, but we have to still keep the buzz. I mean, like we have to keep, like which one? You could select your photo, or you could just use like, oh wait a minute, hold on. I will also teach you how to make your own pictures. Like, first you also have to outline your mouth because you don't want to get lost with it. So you could do this. I pick like peach. Now I'm going to go and trace it. I'm actually working. I didn't even show you what I want. working, so I'm working on this. Put on the upper lid. On the upper lid. Look at it, it's going good. This is actually my lips smiling, so I'm actually creating this. So, I work it. Oh no, I messed up. It's okay if I do the back with it, but I should not do all the way or else I will also erase my hard work. So, it's almost done. This is the last photo we're doing, but I'll also show you how to create your own white picture. Here it is. Look how I'm doing my lips. You have to be very slow about this. Patience take time. Good things take time. Seriously, trust me this. It's not like I learned it from Darman. But don't subscribe to the channel. Never subscribe to Darman because my mom teaches me when it's Darman and so bad. Don't subscribe to me. Click a thumbs down for them. Alright. So, what happened? No! I clicked the buttons! No! I can't see. I decided to backwards. Look at this is me. This is me. How I made it. Of course, you click on this, you clean screens, guys. You could also click square, like that. We could also you could also take this and do this. Like you could take the color here. Buzz, 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 buzz. Let's do it red color, because I'm going to do red on this buzz, 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 buzz. This is so cool. I love buzz, buzz, buzz. Let's do this. Buzz. Look how cool it is. It also feels like a section cups. So yeah. I feel this is actually my chair. Thanks for... Okay, let's do material. Thanks for watching my channel. Hope you like the show. Click the subscribe button. Turn the notification. Give me a huge thumbs up. Tomorrow, I hope you see you next time. Bye.